In a very significant move, Centre has reimposed the protected area regime for foreign visitors who want to visit the states of Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland in the northeast. Now protected area regime is a special regime where foreigners who want to visit certain areas of India in the borders of other country, they will have to take special permission from center and the local authorities. Now the protected area regime was put in place in several areas of northeast, but for the state of Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland, which has borders with Myanmar, uh, by several circulars, the protected area regime was put under suspension so as to promote tourism in past. In fact, this exemption of protected area regime was till 31st December 2027. But now in a recent order, Ministry of Home Affairs has sent out circulars to all the state governments asking them to reimpose protected area regime, and therefore from now on foreigners visiting Manipur, which last year saw massive ethnic violence, Mizoram and Nagaland, they will have to take the PAP permits, which are now mandatory. This is a very important move, given the fact that Centre has been concerned over the internal security along the borders with Myanmar, which is a porous border. Remember, for years together now, Myanmar, ever since the military coup, has seen an uprising of anti-military forces, resistance groups who have been fighting a civil war with the military junta there in Myanmar, and therefore the border areas of Myanmar with different northeastern states have also been very sensitive. And oblate in the recent turmoil that Manipur has seen, there were allegations of Myanmar based rebels to also be part and factor behind the violence, and therefore first we saw the center suspending the free movement regime which was there, where to a certain distance both Myanmaris and Indian nationals could enter each other's territory without a travel document. That was withdrawn, that was suspended, because also there has been steady flow of refugees, particularly in Mizoram from Myanmar, because of the ethnic tension there on the Myanmari side. And therefore now the center has come up with this second stricture in terms of reimposing the PAP permit, through which now foreigners will only be allowed to visit these states if they have the necessary PAP permits.